Hey everyone, I'm Natasha Loeffler-Little, and I'm both a certified nutrition consultant and also a Pilates teacher. And I wanted to talk to you about skin today, specifically related to foods we can eat that can support healthy, vibrant looking skin. Has to be one of the things that, like, when it goes wrong, everybody in the world knows, and it's also a super easy one that you can support yourself with food. So I've got an array of different things that I like to use to support healthy skin that I wanted to talk to you about. The first, and actually since I'd love to have a cup of tea with you while we talk about this, is green tea. Super rich in antioxidants, really, really tasty, great for a number of other reasons. Ooh, and look, when you're doing it, facial steam, ooh, lovely. So this is an easy one, a couple cups a day. You don't have to overdo it. Really, really easy option. I'm gonna let that steep before I start drinking it. Also, it's hot, so be careful. Second thing is anything colorful. So raw fruits and vegetables are really, really amazing. They're in their most whole form. So they're gonna give you all the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to help rebuild. And that happens daily, right? Like we're sloughing off a bunch of skin cells. So anything you can do in that arena is gonna be great. I love raw fruit. This is a good option. The next is all about detoxification. There's really three things that I wanted to highlight. Lemon is a very, very strong liver detoxifier. A little bit of warm water with lemon in the morning or making lemon juice-based dressings, great option. Anything in the cruciferous family, and this is broccolini, but broccoli, cauliflower are other good options. Light steam, light roast, toss them with pasta, eat them by themselves. Really, really important for helping the liver, helps the skin. Third on that detoxifier list are beans. Now, these are ones that I made. Excuse me, I have blackberry in my teeth. I'm not talking about teeth today, I'm talking about skin, but you can also buy beans, but these ones I bought dried from a local farm, soaked them, and then cooked them in an Instant Pot. That in total took maybe $5, and about an hour waiting for it to cook, and I let them soak overnight. But this is great because it's an affordable and easy option that helps clear out waste from the body. Again, very similar to what you're getting with raw fruits and vegetables in terms of nutritional density, but then helping with the detoxification like lemon and anything like broccoli, cauliflower, broccolini give you. So those are some good ones. The next is healthy fats. Avocado is great, coconut oil, whole olives. These are really, really solid options to give you the fat that you need to help rebuild your broken cells, your anything that it's such an amazing healer, and it's such a bummer that we've been programmed to think that fat is bad for us, but in small amounts and choosing really high quality, it can be very, very nourishing to help rebuild the body. So give these a try, whether it's just as simple as giving yourself a little tea steam or actually drinking the green tea, trying some colorful raw fruits and vegetables, healthy detoxifying foods like your cruciferous, your beans, maybe some lemon, lime is also a good option, adding in some healthy fats. Those are all gonna be really amazing to help you with the health of your skin. Give them a try and let us know what you think.